Good morning and welcome to Mom Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna, and once again, Jan is not with us. Where is
Up
she
north.
this time?
Up north that way. She's babysitting. This is what you do when you are retired and embracing getting older and being a grandparent.
That's right. If you're lucky enough to have grandchildren, you get to enjoy them.
That's right.
Today, we are going to be making a vegan bacon. The reason being that my sister is vegan and vegetarian, and she eats this vegan bacon. Every time I go to her house, she tries and serve it, and it tastes like cardboard. I mean, it's just horrible.
But people that are vegan and vegetarian tend to get used to the taste of food that's like that.
I don't care. I don't like it.
Give me my bacon.
Yeah. Anyway, so I understand bacon's not the healthiest food,
Correct.
so we want to find an alternative, but I can't be without my bacon. So I bought very, very firm tofu. And this is a recipe that I saw on YouTube. And I'm just going to redo it and see how I feel about it. I've changed a few of the ingredients, so let's see. You have to cut the tofu very, very, very thinly.
I like tofu, but it has to be like kind of fried with a lot of seasonings, which probably defeats the purpose of having the tofu,
Yeah.
but I don't really like it plain like that. It's not appealing.
I've learned to like it in miso soup.
No, don't like miso soup.
Oh, I love miso soup.
You can have mine when we go out for
Okay.
sushi.
I love that.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm not going to make all of it.
Are these going to be the slices?
Yeah, those are going to be the slices.
Oh,
So in a little pan,
interesting.
you put soy sauce. We're going to marinate this tofu. We're going to put soy sauce.
So you just kind of, I love that little pan. I
This
like my tiny thing, tiny cooking. I love little miniature. I know. Dude.
I know it's fun, but I like them.
Remember
too.
Hello Kitty stuff? No, not Hello Kitty. The place that had all the itty bitty tiny fun pencils and pens and dolls and...
That was Hello Kitty.
Was it Hello Kitty?
Can you open this for me?
I can.
Okay, so we're going to get a little bit of, so I poured soy sauce in there.
I'm not breaking a nail over this, you guys.
And now we're going to put
there we go.
just a touch of liquid smoke.
What does liquid smoke do?
It gives a liquid smoke taste.
Ask a stupid question.
Okay, and then this is the paprika from Spain, and what it is, it's a very mild, kind of sweet paprika.
From Spain. She went to Spain.
So I thought of putting brown sugar, but I think I'm going to put just a touch of maple syrup because...
From Canada.
Actually it is. Oh my God, why can't I get anything open
Can I
today?
help you, ma'am?
No, I can do this. No, I can't.
No, she can't. I don't know what she would do without me here.
Okay.
Not have nearly as much fun. Now
Absolutely.
I'm sticky from your Canada maple syrup.
Okay. So
All
just a touch. Okay. And I'm going to stir this up. I'm supposed to put olive oil. What do you think? It has to have a little bit of grease.
Yeah, probably a little bit
Okay.
of olive oil.
Excuse me.
She'll be right back.
I wasn't going to.
No, just a
Because
tad.
I'm trying not to do...
A tad.
Okay, is that a tad? Or is that a
Now
tad?
you over-tatted. Should you add some bacon grease to it?
No.
Give it a good taste.
Jeez. Okay, so now I'm just going to lay this in the liquid, in the marinade. And swish it around, make sure it gets nice
Covered.
and coated.
Interesting.
I know, it is, isn't it? Oh, can you smell that liquid smoke?
We'll talk about that later.
It smells like smoke, doesn't it?
I don't know, Anna.
Oh, that's right, you can't.
I can't smell. But that's another show.
She's
we'll talk about
defective.
that. I have some calamity. We call me a calamity.
Medical calamity. Okay, so I've got the slices of tofu in the pan, and I've got the marinade. I'm just going to swish it around, make sure it's covered
Okay, I
on
have a
all sides.
suggestion.
Yes,
Why don't you just turn it upside down and then
because
that?
I'm afraid.
Because it won't be neatly lined.
Yes.
Yes, it is. It's neatly lined. And
Okay.
then yeah, see? This is
Okay,
why I'm here.
wait. There we go.
It's
See, it's getting messy.
fine. Oh, geez Louise.
Getting messy. Okay,
Okay.
so now we are going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to fry them.
So we're gonna dance while they're waiting, or?
No, we're going to turn the camera off for a
Well,
minute.
sorry, it was gonna be a really good dance.
It's going to be a short 10 minutes for you, I promise.
See you in a minute.
Okay, so here we are, back again. Our pan is getting heated. It's actually hot.
That's a cool pan.
Well, this is that copper chef. I love my copper chef.
It's really cool.
Nothing sticks to it. Anyway, and now I'm going to drop the marinated tofu in the pan.
Listen to that sizzle.
Yeah, and smell the smoky taste. It does smell good, doesn't it? I can't. Oh my God, that's right, you can't smell it.
I can tell there's a smell, but I don't really get the essence of the smell.
I can't wait. If these work out, I'm going to take them to my sister.
Well, you should anyway. She'd probably like them.
Probably would.
Tofu is very neat and tidy to cut.
Yes.
It stays where you put it, and it cuts how you want it.
It doesn't look like bacon though, because it's too even.
Right, but it's not bacon, so it's not going to look like bacon.
Okay.
Very interesting. We should tilt the pan so they can see what it looks like.
Ta-da! Isn't this pretty? It actually does look pretty. So,
Now, do you have a preference to how long you cook this, or just until you
well,
like
I
it?
want it to be crispy.
Okay.
Because that's what bacon is, right?
Okay.
And no matter where we are, I always order my bacon to be crispy.
I always tell them burn it.
Really?
I do. Well, they don't ever burn it, but I just,
Right.
that's how I want it. But you know, it's not supposed to be very good for you to eat burnt things, which I didn't know until
Right.
recently.
Oh.
Someone ruined my evening by telling me that burnt things are not good for you.
That's okay. I just told my sister, I just found out. If you eat raw mushrooms, it has a carcinogen. If you eat cooked mushrooms, it has anti-carcinogen.
That's weird.
I know.
And I just had some raw mushroom the other day because I cooked something and I was tasting as I went along. You know how when you finally get
Yes,
done
yes.
cooking and you're about to serve it and you're not hungry anymore because you've eaten along the way? Yeah, I did that the other night.
Okay.
Well, it's looking pretty good.
Oh, they look cute, but they're still mushy, you know, like,
Yeah, but it's not going to be like, it's going to have some softness.
but I want it to be.
You don't get everything you want, Anna. Lift it up again and show. You should look back at our videos at the looks you give.
Only Kathy. I only give those looks to Kathy.
No.
Okay. I think that they have to be cut even thinner because, look, they're not exactly.
You know, they do have thick cut
All right,
bacon.
this makes a nauseous noise.
You had to say that.
Okay, what do you
Okay.
think?
I would say,
Okay, you want to bring that little dish that's right behind you, and we'll put the thinnest one on there.
and this is probably from Solvang.
It isn't. It's from a store that used, the precursor to the 99-cent store in Los Angeles was Bargain Circus.
Oh, I remember that.
Do you
name.
remember that
Yeah.
store?
I
So
never
I
went
think
there.
that cost like 25 cents, and I got it 40 years
Cute.
ago, or
Okay.
43 years ago when I first got married.
You just put one on there?
No,
You put them all? There,
well, at least two.
at least two. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. It's a party.
It's a mushy bacon party.
All right, here we go.
Let's go try it.
Okay. Well, here we are. Back
This
at
is the moment of
the.
truth. Okay.
I'm scared.
I'm trying to-
I'm gonna take the piece that has the most crunchy end to it.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to be honest though, to our listeners and followers, because this is.
It needs to be crispier. As a matter of fact, I might just put it in the oven.
You know what?
Yeah,
If
it's
it
not
were-
bad.
If it were thinner and crispier, but
And if it
it tastes like bacon. It's not going to taste like bacon. So if you're putting that in your head, you're going to kind of go, But you have to remember, it's not bacon, but it's a substitute.
No, but when I saw this lady do it on YouTube, it was like stiff crispy.
Okay, and I would say a little less soy.
Really? I
Yeah.
like the touch of soy.
Yeah.
It's not bad though. I like it.
It's not bad. So thinner, cook it longer,
Much longer.
a tad less soy, just a tad less soy, because I get that taste of just that.
I would put a little bit more maple syrup.
And then some eggs around it. Or ketchup. Not bad. Good job. Good job.
Well, you know what? It was fun to try.
It was fun.
And
It was
honestly,
fun.
I will do this again. I will do this again and see if I can get them crispier. So,
BYOB. Bring your own bacon.
thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click those share and like buttons and always subscribe to Mmmm Talks on YouTube.
Please do. And don't forget our website, www.mmtalks.com. And remember to keep embracing getting older with us.
Bye.
Bye.